Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: updated Gamesir app, controller charged, and host device ready. Plug the controller via USB or pair Bluetooth. This speeds detection. On Android, enable USB debugging or accept pairing prompts. On PC, run the app as administrator. Once done, open Gamesir Connect and let it scan inputs. This immediate scanning is why you pair early, so mappings load automatically and you avoid reconfiguration later. Stay ready for the next step, where we assign controls and profiles. Now you map controls and build a profile that fits the game. Select an existing template or create a new profile and give it a clear name. Use drag and drop mapping or press buttons to auto-detect inputs. This is faster for complex controllers. Then fine-tune analog sensitivity, dead zones, and vibration intensity so inputs feel natural. Make sure to save the profile and assign it to the detected device. Once saved, the profile loads automatically when you reconnect, so verify behavior in a short test run. Finish by saving and exporting your profile. This preserves tweaks and lets you restore settings quickly. Test in your game and use live adjust mode to change sensitivity or dead zones on the fly. If the controller isn't recognized, repair via Bluetooth or reconnect USB, update controller firmware, and restart the Gamesir app. These steps fix most issues. Finally, keep a backup of working profiles. That way, if something breaks, you restore a known good configuration and get back to playing fast.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.